Section 1. Is this real life or just fantasy? Or just fantasy? What if everything we know, everything we see, touch, and feel isn't real? What if our universe is just a sophisticated computer program, a hyper-realistic video game running on some alien supercomputer? This is the mind-bending idea behind the simulation hypothesis. It suggests that we are living inside a simulation, created by a civilization far more advanced than our own. This might sound like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but some physicists and philosophers take this idea seriously. They argue that if we can simulate reality with computers, even on a small scale, then it's plausible that a more advanced civilization could create simulations indistinguishable from reality itself. The simulation hypothesis is a fascinating thought experiment. It challenges our understanding of reality and our place in the cosmos. While we may never know for sure if we're living in a simulation, exploring this idea can lead to profound insights about the nature of consciousness, technology, and the universe itself. Section 2. Rendering reality. Are we in a cosmic computer game? To understand how the simulation hypothesis applies to the vastness of space, we need to understand the concept of rendering in video games. When you play a video game, your computer doesn't load the entire game world all at once. That would require an immense amount of processing power. Instead, the game engine only renders the parts of the world you can see at any given moment. The areas you're not looking at remain unrendered, existing only as data until you turn your attention to them. Some proponents of the simulation hypothesis suggest that the vast emptiness of space might be a result of similar rendering limitations in our simulated universe. Just like in a video game, it's possible that only the areas we observe are fully rendered in detail. The rest of the universe might exist in a simplified state until we need to interact with it. This could explain why space seems so empty, with vast distances separating stars and galaxies. It might be that our simulated universe is conserving resources by only rendering the parts we are actively observing. If our universe is a simulation, why is Earth the center of it all? This is a question that puzzles many proponents of the simulation hypothesis. One possibility is that Earth is the main focus of the simulation. Perhaps the beings who created this simulation are particularly interested in studying human life, consciousness, or our planet's history. Another possibility is that the simulation isn't centered on Earth at all. We might be just one small part of a much larger simulation, with countless other civilizations and life forms existing elsewhere in the simulated universe. It's also possible that Earth is just one of many simulated planets with intelligent life, and the creators of this simulation are running multiple scenarios to study different evolutionary paths or societal models. The idea of a simulated universe begs the question, why? Why would an advanced civilization go through the trouble of creating such a complex and detailed simulation? The answer might be as simple as curiosity. Perhaps they want to study their past, explore different possibilities, or simply entertain themselves. Or maybe they have a more profound reason. Maybe they're trying to find answers to questions we haven't even thought to ask, using our simulated universe as a testing ground for ideas and concepts beyond our current understanding. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. And that's part of what makes the simulation hypothesis so compelling. It forces us to confront the unknown, to question the nature of our reality, and to consider the possibility that we might be part of something much grander than we ever imagined.